AI is no longer the future. It's the present. And the reality is, those who don't adapt will be left behind. We're in the middle of the biggest shift in work, creativity, and information since the internet itself. Tens of thousands of people are already being replaced, not because they weren't smart, but because someone else figured out how to use AI better, faster, and cheaper. But here's the good news. The world doesn't need more robots. It needs more humans who know how to use them. So in this video, we're breaking down the top AI platforms, what they do best, and which one you should start using today, whether you're a small business owner, writer, content creator, or just someone trying to stay ahead of the curve. Let's dive in. This is the one that started it all for most people. ChatGPT is your go-to for research, writing, summarizing, scripting, idea generation, and even light coding. It's conversational, fast, and with GPT-4, it's getting even smarter. If you're in marketing, business, or you need a personal assistant to help draft emails, build outlines, or explain complex topics, start here. And yes, it can do basic image generation and speech to text, but not natively. You'll need to integrate or use the Pro version with voice features enabled. DeepSeek is a rising player, especially powerful for deep research and advanced reasoning. It's fast, multilingual, and often pulls in data that other models miss. If you're someone who likes precision and facts, and you're digging into technical research, law, or white paper level writing, DeepSeek is an absolute gem. Built directly into the X platform, Grok is Elon Musk's wildcard. It's witty, built for social engagement, and plugged into real-time Twitter data. This is ideal for content creators, meme pages, or anyone trying to ride social trends as they happen. Is it the most accurate or deep? No. But if you're creating content fast and want to respond in real time, it's powerful. Claude is the one AI tool people are quietly raving about. Why? Because Claude has incredible memory, excellent at long documents, and it's one of the most human-feeling assistants out there. If you're working on contracts, legal work, large article analysis, or emotional tone writing, Claude outperforms. It's perfect for contract drafting, business negotiation prep, book summaries, even tone-sensitive emails. This one is integrated directly with Microsoft Office, Windows, and Edge browser. It's ideal for summarizing meetings, writing Word docs or Excel formulas, answering emails in Outlook, and live internet access with real citations. It's like having ChatGPT inside your desktop at all times. For business productivity, this one's a winner. Formerly known as Bard, Gemini is Google's flagship AI. It's now fully integrated with Google Docs, Gmail, YouTube, and even Google Sheets. Best for writing blog posts, script ideas with YouTube integration, organizing info in Sheets, and drafting and editing inside Google Docs. It's still evolving, but if you live inside the Google ecosystem, this is your tool. For image creation, your best tools are Midjourney, stunning, stylized art, DALL-E inside ChatGPT Pro, simple and fast, Ideogram, great for text on images. For speech-to-text and voice AI, Whisper by OpenAI, top-level transcription, Descript, podcast video editing with auto-transcribe, 11 Labs realistic voice generation. Final thought, you can't ignore this. AI will not replace you, but a person who knows how to use AI absolutely will. This is your moment to pivot, to learn the tools, to apply them in your business, to scale your time, your income, and your reach without burnout. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. At Dealmakers Den, we're building tools, guides, and resources to help you ride the wave, not get crushed by it. Download our latest ebook to learn in the links below. Thanks for watching Dealmakers Den. If this video helped you feel ready to adapt, give us a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.